Hello and very good morning all of you. Very fresh, cool good morning all of you. So today I am here but without concept. Yes, everyday concept I am getting bored. So today I searched a new word from the card. And do you know the new word name is blooming. Blooming. Bl, oo sound and ming. Blooming. So the meaning of blooming is indicating the freshness, opening in blossoms. Okay. So now there are so many flowers like lily, lotus, rose, marigold and sunflower. So now I have two sentences. Flowers are blooming in spring. Flowers are blooming in spring. The second is bees were buzzing around the blooming flowers. Bees were buzzing around the blooming flowers. Now here are two sentences. Now which word is common in these two sentences? Which word is common? That is blooming. That is blooming. Like the flowers are blooming. This is blooming bird. This is blooming bird. These all flowers are blooming. Okay. Now what are these? These are also flowers. But which type of flowers are these? These are nocturnal flowers. And nocturnal flowers blooms at night. Nocturnal flowers blooms at night. So these are nocturnal flowers. Okay, that blooms, which blooms at night. So the word blooming means is something that is flowering or growing just like the flowers that bloom. Just like the flowers that bloom. And blooming indicates the freshness or beauty. So now today it's time. It's action for the word. So the action of blooming, you have to make the fingers of the right hands into a fist and then slowly opening like the petals of the flower. So now like the petals of the flower, then slowly open. So this is the action of blooming word. Okay. Now what you have to do? Say the word blooming and then do the action. Okay. So blooming. Again, then close and again say the word blooming like this. Okay. Then close. Again say the word blooming. Blooming. So today's new word is blooming. You have to learn and you have to use this word 2-3 times in a day. Blooming. The flowers are blooming. Bees were buzzing around the blooming flowers. Okay. So again repeat. The new word is blooming. Again with your actions. Blooming. Yes. So I hope you liked and enjoyed my video, my class. So now thank you for watching me and join me. So it's time to say goodbye. Now goodbye all of you.